Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. So, welcome back to Miss Rosie Rosha channel. And now, I'm going to give you some English vocabularies which are similar to Indonesian vocabularies. So, what are they? Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so the first one is artist, 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 and then actress, 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 actor, 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 abstract, 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 apartment, 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 accessories, 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 and then bomb, 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 bias, 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 and then we have biscuit, 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 yeah, and then business, 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 boss, 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 bus, bis, bus, bis, balloon, 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 and then let's move to the C, class, 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 canteen, 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 circuit, 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 and then we have camera, 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 cartoon, 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 coin, 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 coin. So I think it's same, coin and coin. Check, 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 check. Calendar, 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 calendar. Cassette, 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 cassette. And now we have the word for the stinkiest fruit ever in the world, I guess. So what is that? It's durian, durian. So it's same, durian. Okay, and then data, 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 and then gratis, 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 film, 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 music, 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 orangutan, 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 oxygen, 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 oxygen. Piano, piano. It's same, yeah. Piano, piano. And then video, 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 video. Rambutan, 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 rambutan. Unit, 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 unit. And then the last one, and I forgot that it is with R, so it should be after the rambutan, so it is radio, 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 radio. So they are the words that similar between English and Indonesian, and I think there are many more than this, but I hope you learned a little bit from me. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum.